this guy from the town hall meeting in 2009. Watch this. Here's the next piece of the con.
Oh, it's such a blessing to see you, Mr. President. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Oh, gracious God, thank you so much. Okay, I've been at the same job, which is McDonald's, for 4.5 years because of the fact that I can't find another job. Now, with the fact that I've been there for as long as I've been there, do you have any plan or any idea of making one that has been there for a long time receive any better benefits than what they've already received?
He was the mark. The easy to dupe or the weakest among us are always the ones who are the first mark. His name is Julio. The president said yes, he's going to put together health care. This is back a year ago. But really, Julio finally got his answer today. Remember, he worked at McDonald's and he wanted better benefits. Here's the story today. McDonald's has warned federal regulators that it could drop its health insurance plan for nearly 30,000 workers unless regulators waive a new requirement of the U.S. health overhaul. Yes, Julio, here's your answer. You will have it his way. President Obama's mandates and standards designed right into the health care bill shows that large employers like McDonald's are doing the math and they're finding they can't meet the standards, and therefore they're forced to drop the people that they were covering, which they will receive penalties for, but he will have to go into the federal health care system. These are part-time workers who are getting small plans. They're called mini-med plans. But it was how they were all had, because now they have nothing. 1.4 million people across the country are affected by this. 1.4 million people are going to have their health care dropped because of we're trying to get the poor on health care. But don't worry. Progressives will be there to save the day because they already are. You see, they start with the solution. They know what's best. And then they create the problem or exploit the problem intentionally. So that way, you eventually, like Julio, go to them and beg for the solution because the big bad McDonald's has just taken away your health care. That's what they do. Artificially create a problem to run in and save the day with a solution that they wanted in the first place. The president is responsible for this, but he'll be the knight in shining armor and he'll sweep everyone into government health care because remember, that was his goal. His words.
I happen to be a proponent of a single-payer universal health care plan. A single-payer healthcare plan, universal healthcare plan. That's what I'd like to see. But as all of you know, we may not get there immediately.
We may not get there immediately. You were set up. You were the mark. And the sting is about to go down. Back in a minute.